Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. This one we're doing cover, which is coverage of vaccinations. Let's dive in right now. So we've got data going all the way back to 1989 across 40 tables. There is 1.9 million rows so far. If I just list the tables here, maybe if I just minimize this a little bit so you can see which ones are discontinued. So discontinued ones, as explained in one of the tutorials, are ones where there's no more data going in. But you can see the sort of data we have. So if you can pause there and have a look at that. Page down, there's the rest of them. I've now queried a few of the currently still live tables because it'll be too much to do the whole lot. And ask for a free trial. I'll give you access and you can have a look yourself. So a sample of the tables here. Annual child vaccinations 12 months age BCG authority program. That's the sort of stuff you're getting. Then you've got things like the caveats, so that's useful in understanding the data. Data by commissioner and by all these metrics that you see here. Data by GP practice and all these metrics. And data by local authority and a bit more in the metrics. I'll just show you the pages. So there's page 1, page 2, page 3. You can obviously pause them. There's a bunch more tables, but as I say, get in touch and we'll give you a free trial. Thanks.